Welcome to our channel. If you have ever been curious about the world of long nails, you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the art of maintaining and flaunting beautiful long nails. No, long nails have always been a symbol of elegance and style, and in this comprehensive guide, we will cover everything you need to know. Whether you are a long time nail enthusiast or just starting your journey to longer nails, here's a sneak peek of what you will find in this video. The benefits of long nails and how they can enhance your overall look. Tips for natural nails growth and strength. How to choose the perfect nail shape and length that suits your style. Nail care routine to maintain your long nails and keep them healthy. Nail art and design ideas that will make your long nails stand out. Troubleshooting common issues like breakage and splits. A seasoned nail expert with years of experience will take you through each step and share some of the industry's best kept secrets. Whether you prefer a classic understated look or you are all about the latest nail trends, this video has something for everyone. I hope you will be enjoy this long nail design and make sure you like it all. Long nail design, and you choose one of the best design and create the best looks. And this design and this color, my favorite color, and how much beautiful attractive this color and this design, so very nice, amazing. This so beautiful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on your future nail care and beauty content. Join our community of nail enthusiasts and let's embark on this long nail journey together. If you found this video helpful or have any question about long nails, leave a comment below and we will be sure to